and positive vibes. And I want to start the video by thanking our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We appreciate you. We love you so much. You are the reason we sit here and shoot videos every day because of your support. We really appreciate you, and we pray for your blessings. Guys, we don't ever take you for granted. We value you so much. Today, I am yet again with another video about the lad we all love. And today, I was trying to start the video with the positivity, the positive vibes of the people of Jamaica. Because guess what? Today, I'm talking about the positive vibes of the people of Jamaica. And I want to start by saying the positivity or the positive vibes of the people of Jamaica is loved all over the world. From North Pole to South Pole, people love the positive vibes, the positive attitude, the joy, the happiness that is shown by the people of Jamaica as they go along with their daily activities. And that is what we are going to look at today. But before I start showing you how positive or how Jamaicans have positive vibes, I want to say there is a clip of this guy who is actually from Nigeria.
One are ready to one drive. One are ready to one drive.
One step driver.
One are ready to one drive. Hey, pretty girl. Walk one. One stop. Only one stop, you know. You're coming? One are ready to one drive. Everybody in the bus, make sure you have your fear. Yeah, everybody. Everybody, driver, move so. Driver, move so.
And actually, when I watched the video, I thought it was a Jamaican. Because the positivity with this guy, the fun, the entertainment is actually a copyright of the Jamaican people. We all know that Jamaican people are actually fun people to be with. They are full of joy. They are full of great humor. And therefore, wherever you are with them, you get entertained, you get to enjoy, you don't even see the hour passing because they keep you busy. And this video is going to be all about that. We are going to be entertained. We are going to have positive vibes of the people of Jamaica. We are going to see different activities of the people of Jamaica enjoying their life at the same time working hard, because that is their culture, to work hard and at the same time enjoy life. So you're going to see a lot of videos that I have prepared for you so that you can see the positivity of the people of Jamaica and the joy, entertaining, fun, the great humor with the people of Jamaica. So when I looked at this Nigerian guy, I'm going to put the clip here. When I watched him, I thought, hey, people love the positive vibes of the Jamaican people and they adapt to the culture, to the positive nature, to the vibes of the Jamaican people so well. This guy, when he talks Patois language and says Wagwan and wears Rastafarian colors, I actually thought he was a Jamaican. Then he was actually making people to board the bus or the public transport. And there is this girl, a white girl, who was wearing the Rastafarian color of the Jamaican people. And this is to show you the positivity, the great nature, the culture of the people of Jamaica is admired across the globe. This is a Nigerian who is actually speaking Patois, who is wearing the culture of the people of Jamaica. This is a a white girl wearing the colors of the Rastafarian people in Jamaica. And these are the colors that you are going to see on the streets of Trenchtown, on the streets of Ochorio, on the streets of any other parish in Jamaica, because Jamaicans enjoy their culture. They love the colors of Rastafarian and the colors of their flag. You will see them everywhere where there is a shopping center. And these two have actually started our video by showing us how the world appreciates and loves the Jamaican culture and the Jamaicans' way of life, to make merry, to have fun, to be positive, to spread the positive vibes to others. And that is all what this video is about. And we're going to start the video with do I call her a young lady? Young at heart? Because when I was looking at this video, I really admired this woman. At her age, she can dance this much. She can sing to the lyrics of the songs of Jamaica. She can entertain people this much. Jamaicans are a vibe. I watched her, I repeated again and again the video because I could not imagine already this age being able to dance, being able to swing, being able to move with the lyrics of the song and actually make us be happy, make us entertained, make us have positive vibes spreading to us from Jamaican people. I admired this woman. I really, really admired her. And she's a sign. She's actually a proof that age is just by a number. Because at this age, she is having fun. She is enjoying her life. She is actually flexing her muscles and her bones to the dance of the great music of the Jamaican people. I loved this video because I could see the positivity, the great vibes of the people of Jamaica in her. And when it comes to age, it is just by a number. When it comes to the music of Jamaica, dancing to its tune and singing to its lyric, it is just done by everyone, the old and the young. Because I've seen several people who are advanced in age and yet they do dancing so well in Jamaica. I've watched the videos of the Mango Shonarwa and we could actually see along the road as these girls were moving around the streets of Trenchtown and Kingston, they could meet old men who could actually compose the lyrics of a song or rap to a song, and they could dance to its tune, and it was so entertaining. These are the positive vibes of the people of Jamaica. There is no dull moment in Jamaica. There is no moment to feel stressed, to feel lonely, to feel down, because everywhere you go, you find people enjoying music, people dancing, people showing their positive vibes in every way. And that is why sometimes people ask us, why do you always speak about Jamaica? Because they actually, when I am preparing these videos, I actually laugh throughout. Because you get entertained. You love who Jamaicans are. You love their positive vibes. You love their joy. You love the way they handle life. And therefore, in the process of preparing this video, we are actually making our ears to be added, because every smile per day adds us some years in life. Because it's not good to be down throughout. Jamaicans have made our moods to lighten up, because you get to be entertained. You them. You got to enjoy with them. You got to dance with them, and you actually enjoy the positive vibes of the people of Jamaica. Guys, I'm not yet over. Before I bring to you this wonderful guy, actually these guys were two, but I concentrated in one because he was a great vibe, a great entertainment, a great joy. This guy could jump like a Maasai in Kenya. You know, in Kenya, we know that the Maasai people are the ones that jump to the highest point and then they dance using their jumping skills. So this guy could dance, flex his muscles, flex his bones, flex his knees, dance to the tune and go down, then go up, and it was a whole positive vibe.
I will make it up. I will make it up. Boom! Come on, come on. Boom, boom, boom. I think that I
She said to Peter, make sure you can DJ. Me say why yo, that a yo yo, Gio, that a bo bo. Say eno, that a no no. Say eso, that a so. Pull it up and drop it again. Yes.
Sometimes I get so excited when I'm talking about the people of Jamaica. You have to forgive me, guys, because sometimes I get so carried away by the things I talk about because I get entertained in the process of talking about Jamaican people. So when I watched this guy, I could say, oh my God, this is the tingo. The guy could go down, flex his muscles. I don't know what he was doing to his knees. And he could go down to the floor and then up. His dancing moves were epic. I saw in the comment section people talking about that he had taken a bit of lamb, the alcohol in Jamaica. I don't know how true this is, but the guy danced to the tune, danced to the lyrics, and entertained all of us. I could not stop laughing. I don't know where he was dancing from. I saw as if it was a graveyard. And this guy did not even care where he was. He continued dancing. He continued having fun. He continued conquering all the stress, all the bad vibes, and adapting to the positive vibes. I don't know whether he was stressed up, but he went there and danced his stress out. I cannot tell whether the grave where he was dancing is a relative or somebody he knows, and therefore he was trying to remove his grief, his sorrow, but he managed. And this is the way to go, because you cannot actually make yourself sad and grieve. You have to have the energy to move on. You have to have the energy and dance the negative vibes out of you and welcome the positive vibes. I enjoyed his dancing so much, and I could not believe the way he was actually flexing his knees. It was so entertaining. That actually is another demonstration that Jamaicans are a vibe. They are a great vibe, and we got to enjoy their moves. We got to enjoy their dancing. We got to enjoy their culture because they are a great vibe. We are not yet through. Before we see this other guy, and by the way, Jamaicans men are very hardworking, because the guy that I have just talked about, to actually practice and perfect those moves, he has done a lot of work. He has done a lot of practice. He must have practiced a lot to actually perfect his knee movements and the leg movement, because he danced for a long time actually, and he could not get tired. He must have worked hard to actually actually master the moves, perfect the moves, and bring those moves to us to entertain us. He was a package of fun to us, and we really appreciated, I really appreciated that. So let us come to this other guy who is actually at his working place. He is, I think, a driver of the bamboo, is it a ship or what is it? A raft. And he was driving the bamboo raft and at the same time dancing.
Yeah, man. Jamaica, this. Yeah, man. Always a vibes in the island, you don't know.
Who does that? It's only in Jamaica you will find these positive vibes. This guy is working so hard and at the same time enjoying his job, enjoying his daily activity, entertaining people, making us to enjoy and even see the beauty of Jamaica shown by this great guy with his dance moves, with his driving the bamboo raft, and with his surrounding. We could see a very beautiful Jamaica. And everybody in the comment section from Ghana, Nigeria, Ethiopia, all over the world, people came to the comment section and actually commented that is why people desire to come to Jamaica. When they see the positive vibes of the great people of Jamaica, when they are shown the beauty of Jamaica, like this guy was doing, he was actually entertaining us, he was making us have fun, and at the same time, showing us the beauty of the land of Jamaica. And people were full in the comment section declaring their desire to visit the island, their desire to come and see the positive vibes of the people of Jamaica, to come and see the beauty of the island shown by great people who are full of positive vibes. And this is what we like about Jamaica. This guy made so many people to desire to come to Jamaica, to desire to actually step their foot on the soil of Jamaica, because it was so entertaining and it was also, the surroundings were very beautiful to the eye. We could see the beauty of Jamaica and the great positive vibes of the people of Jamaica. The guy kept on entertaining us and we were all glued to him to see the end of the dancing, and he's taking the bamboo raft across the water. It was so entertaining. We are not yet through with the positive vibes of the people of Jamaica when we have not gone to how they can get entertained in their own beauty, their waterfalls, how they can jump from up there to downstream, or rather to the lagoons. And you could see the enjoyment with these people as they enjoy their beautiful land, as they enjoy their beautiful sights, as they enjoy the great land of Jamaica, full of positivity, full of great landscape, full of beauty, and they were showing us the beauty of Jamaica as they entertained us. Today's video was full of entertainment, full of enjoyment, full of fun, and I really enjoyed the positive vibes of the people of Jamaica. I cannot finish this video without going to the music part of the people of Jamaica. Though I've talked about dancing, if you go to the dance halls of the people of Jamaica, you will see their positive vibes. You are going to see the great positivity of the people of Jamaica as they sing to the lyrics of their songs. Not even that. Their flag. When you see their flag, you can actually get brightened up because you meet the great vibes of the people of Jamaica incorporated in their flag. So Jamaicans are actually a whole vibe by itself. And today's video was about the great positive vibes of the people of Jamaica. Guys, I think I'll stop there, but you can continue mentioning other activities that makes Jamaicans to show their positive vibes to the world. You can actually tell us. We have even Jamaicans that are very, very good athletics, and we enjoy watching them. We enjoy watching them going to the mark with a very, very fast speed. There are other things that makes Jamaicans to have, or rather to be, the greatest people with positive vibes. So guys, until we meet again during the next video, bye-bye and God bless. Keep on subscribing to this channel, Lord, to 5,000 subscribers. Guys, help me to reach that 5,000 subscribers as soon as possible. See ya.